Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we're making a super fun and colorful heart garland using melted crowns. This is a perfect craft for Valentine's Day, so stick around to find out how to do this easy and beautiful craft. First step is to sharpen your crayons and save the shavings. You can use one color or multiple colors for this craft. Next, lay down a towel to protect your surface, then place a sheet of wax paper on top. You're going to sprinkle your crayon shavings evenly across the wax paper. Once you're happy with the colors, then you're going to fold the paper over to cover the shavings. Now grab an iron and gently press it over the wax paper. The heat will melt the crown shavings, creating a really cool effect. Be careful when you're doing this because the crayons can transfer over onto your towel, so just use one that you don't mind getting a little dirty. Once the wax has cooled, use a heart stencil or freehand draw some hearts onto the wax paper. Next, you're going to cut out your hearts from the wax paper. When all of your hearts are cut out, then you're going to take a hole punch and make a hole in the top center of each heart. Now you're going to take a piece of string or yarn and thread each heart through. I used 2 different color hearts, so I rotated using pink, purple, and going back and forth. You can tie a knot after each heart that you thread to keep them in place, or simply spread them out as you'd like. Once you're done threading your hearts, then cut your garland to size for a perfect Valentine's Day decoration. And there you have it, a super easy and fun Valentine's Day craft. This is customizable to make the hearts as big or as little as you want, but adds a personal touch to your Valentine's Day decor. Thanks so much for watching and happy Valentine's Day!